Hello, everyone. My name is Vikas Bedi. I am the department head and professor in chemical engineering here at UIC.
Hi, this is Gang Cheng. I'm associate professor at Department of Chemical Engineering. I'm also a director of graduate studies.
All right, so we wanted to make this video to introduce to you all and provide some more details about the joint bachelor's and master's program that we started last year. So for more information on that, I will hand it over to Gang.
So this program is designed to allow our strong students who wants to go to graduate schools to learn more about advanced chemical engineering knowledges, or the students want to place themselves in a better position in their career. So overall, this program will reduce the time needed to earn both bachelor degree and master degree, and also reduce the financial burden to the students. Overall, this program is called Joint BS and MS program. So students will spend 4 years to finish the undergraduate courses. And in their last year of the undergraduate study, they will take 2 400 level elective courses, one within the department, one is outside the department from other engineering department or science department. So these 2 courses will be used to towards their both BS and MS program. So in the last year, the students will take 7 advanced graduate courses. So they are going to be able to complete the degree in 5 years. Can you go to the next slide? So the students also have opportunity to participate in the advanced researches if they decide to go to the project option. So they can go into the research in energy area, advanced materials area, nanotechnology, biotechnology, complex fluid, electrochemistry. Next slide, please. So in order to be admitted into this program, the student need to have a GPA 2.5 or higher in the prior semester. So the student can apply this program before the end of the second week of the fall term in their senior year. So if you are interested in applying and learn more about this program, please use this link and you can find more detailed information about the program. So in order to graduate, students have to meet the requirement for both bachelor degree and a master degree. So according to the USC policy, students need to have overall GPA 2.0 in order to get the bachelor degree, and 3.0 in order to get a master degree. So the both bachelor degree and a master degree will be awarded at the end of the study. If the student decide after they enroll into a program, if they decide to withdraw from this program, once they meet the requirement for the bachelor degree, and student can get bachelor degree only. So next slide, please. So there are several benefits for the transfer students because we have a decent amount of the transfer students. Somehow the schedule is disrupted. So this joint BS-MS program will allow students to take courses according to their situation, and they have more flexibility to adjust their course registration because extra year to complete that degree. So the student will be better prepared for the career if the student wants to go to the PhD program. So this program will make them be more competitive. The overall the cost because there's 1 year less than a typical BS program and then MS program. So it will save will reduce the financial burden for the students. Okay, if you have any questions, please contact us.
Thank you, Professor Cheng, for that information. In terms of the number of credit hours and some students are also taking concentrations, can you comment on how that works? If a student is taking concentrations, is it still going to be feasible for students to complete their degrees, both the degrees in 5 years?
Yes, that's a great question. So for the typical undergraduate program, student will take one tech elective and one elective outside the department. But in order to meet the requirement for the graduate program, the students need to take both electives at the 400 level. So if students take concentration courses, and these concentration courses will be counted towards their master degree. But the student have to take one course, 400 level course from other science or engineer program. So that will not affect the time. Students can still finish both programs in 5 years.
Thank you. Another question is about the thesis option. You mentioned the research areas over here. How feasible is it to perform research along with the curriculum and then complete everything in 5 years?
It's also a good point. We know we have students, we have several undergraduate students who are very interested in research. Some students started the lab research since the sophomore year, junior year, or senior year. So if the students are determined to go through this program, so they can join the program after the second semester, and then they can start to work on the research. And so when they close to the last year, and they have enough data to write a thesis, so they can still finish this program in 5 years.
So you're saying that if somebody wants to do the thesis, they should declare the bachelor's and master's joint program early?
Yes, that's correct. As early as possible, because usually it depends on nature of research. So the thesis may take longer time than project option. So if the student register early, they will have enough time to do a good job to complete the thesis.
Super. Thank you, Professor Cheng, for the information. And again, if you have more questions, please contact us at this email. This is truly a great opportunity. Make avail of this opportunity if you have the time in your curriculum. So with that, we will end it here. And again, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.